are the different toggle switch. So projecting arm which moves through a small arc and causes the circuit on or circuit off are called the toggle switch. This toggle switch are also used in the starters also, right, and may use in the small applications. As mentioned earlier, that toggle switch are used in the table lamp, or it may be used in some of the experimental kits where you are using only 5 volt, 10 volt or a lower voltage, right. Second one is the push button switch. The push button switch are shown in this in your screen, that say that close the circuit when you are pressing. Whenever you are release and come back, it will come back to its original position. So these are used in the doorbell, and this push button switch are also used in some of the controlling equipment. It is also used in the PLC system, that whenever you are pressing the switch, at that time only your circuit will come in the picture, while remaining time it will be in the off position, right. So these are the switch, push button switch. Now the third type is the rotary switch. So this rotary switch, these are the actual images of the rotary switch. It makes and breaks the circuit when rotated between the position. So you can see different position in the rotary switch. So whenever you are rotating this red dial or this black dial, so what will happen? It may break or it may make the circuit as per your rotating side. It will do the operation, or it as per your position it will do the operation. Then where this rotary switch are used, it is used in the oscilloscope and in the old TV dial also. Nowadays the remote controls are used, so this rotary switch are not used in the television, but this rotary switch are also used in the old television system also. Next one is the slide switch, where this slide switch is used, or what is the operation or the purpose of using this slide switch? This slide switch are used when you want to open or close the circuit by the linear motion of a lever. Here you can see that a lever is used to operate the switch. It used in the low voltage application only. Generally these switches are used in the automobile applications or in particular equipment where you want the linear motion in the operation. At that time this slide switch is used. Next one is the mercury switch. This mercury switch are not used in the day-to-day life, but this switch is actually indicating the position sensing switch, or it is a switch that is indicating the position of the operation. When the switch is upright, its contact will remain deep in the mercury. So the special mercury arc is used in this type of switch. So whenever you want a particular operation, at that time only this switch will be used in the upright or in the downright. So their contacts will be used by the mercury. So mercury bridges the gap between the two contacts and the switch will be made on. Whenever you put off, this switch is tilted, and thus the contacts become open with the mercury pool will remaining at the bottom. So the mercury switches are used in the particular applications only. Now we will see which are the connectors that are used in the electrical wiring system. The connectors are you can say that a lamp holder, the connectors are plug, the connectors are the junction box, the connectors are you can say that the wires, that wires plug may be banana cup, or it may be a simple connecting wires that are connecting the actual circuit. So let us say how the plugs, holders are used in the electrical system or in the connectors. So a spreadable connection are used when the circuit or the instruments are so designed so that they can be used the electrical power. That means some of the device may be designed to do certain operation, but to give the supply you cannot connect it directly to the electrical wires. You have to do the proper connections, right? So to do the proper connections you will require the connectors. So which are the connectors that are used in the electrical wiring system, that we will see now. So the component that are used to provide the spreadable connection are called the connectors. It has two halves, one is plug and another one is socket. Now you might have seen what is plug. You have seen the plug at your home also, right? And you might have seen the socket at your home also. So which are the different plug and which are the sockets? See, in earlier days the plugs that are used were the 2-pin plugs. So which are these 2 pins? One is phase and another one is neutral. But nowadays a third wire is used, or the third plug is used in the socket. That wire is the earth wire, right? So the plug and socket are, you can say that it is a 2-pin or it may be a 3-pin. You might have observed in the plug or in the socket that the third hole is little bit larger. Why it is larger? Because the earth wire is having a high resistance. So as you have seen that resistance is proportional to the length and the area, that is R is proportional to L by A. So if you are decreasing the area, so what will happen? That the resistance will get decreased. So in electrical wiring system, whenever you are using the plugs or the socket, you have to observe it clearly. Now let us see the image over here. So these are the different types of connectors that are used in the electrical system. First one is the plug or the clips. So which are the plug? This one is the plug and this one is the socket. Same way this plug is having 2 pin and this plug is having 3 pin, right? Second connector is that we cannot connect the lamp directly to the wires, right? We of course can connect the lamp directly to the wire, but that connection will not be called as a electrical wiring connection. It may be a temporary to check that whether the lamp is working or not, but to do the proper connection these lamp holders are used. So lamp holders can be called as a connectors, which is connecting the lamp to the proper wiring system, and it can then absorb the electrical power, or then it can absorb the electrical power. Third one is the junction box. What is junction box? Junction box is the device or the box through which you can connect the different equipments, and there are certain typical terminals that are also used as a connectors. So now we will see the various plugs and the various kind of lamp holders that are used in the electrical wiring system. First one is the plug and clip. As mentioned earlier that this is the 2-pin plug and this is the 3-pin plugs, and this is called the socket. You can see that this socket is having 3 pin, while this plug that is inserted in this socket are having only 2 pins, right? So this can be also connected with the clips also, but to do the proper and permanent electrical connection we have to use the plug, right? So the plug, you can say that it is a device or a connector, right, that supply from the socket outlet that is fed to the portable appliances like radio, table fan and TV with the help of flexible cord is called the plug. So this one is the electrical definition of the plug. So now whenever you are inserting a plug, you should be clear to in your mind that you are connecting the your appliances with the supply from the socket outlet that will feed the electrical energy, right? These plugs are maybe tip plug, it may be a banana club, or it may be a banana clip also. 2-pin and the 3-pin plug are commonly used in the domestic wiring system. The domestic wiring system, that is a residential wiring system, right? So in the small application where you are consuming only 10 watt, 50 or 20 watt up to 50 watt, where only 2 pins are used, 2-pin plugs are sufficient to use. But if your load or the equipment that is consuming a higher power or large power, in that case you have to use the 3-pin plug only. Because of the absence of the earth connection, 2-pin plugs are not used nowadays, because it is not a safe operation of the electrical wiring system, right? So this earth connection is not there in the 2-pin plugs. That's why it is not used. 2-pin plugs are not used in the present era. In the 3-pin plug, the 2 pin are the same size and are used for making the connection of the phase and the neutral with the appliances. The 3rd pin is bigger in size and is used for the earth connection. Generally, the plugs that are available in the market are 5 ampere and the 15 amperes are the standard rating. So you can say that if your device that is consuming up to 5 ampere current, then you can use the 2-pin plug also. But if your device is a 15 ampere current is taken by the supply, then you cannot use the 5 ampere plug or 5 ampere socket, otherwise it will not sustain the electrical power, and due to the supply voltage it may be burned or it may get damaged, right? So these things you have to keep in your mind. Now we will see which are the different lamp holders. You might be seeing the different kind of lamp holder at your home. For example, the lamp holder that is used in the ceiling fan is different. The lamp holder that is used in your tube light connection is different. The lamp holder that you are using at the ceiling is different. The lamp holder that you are using in the bathroom, that is also a different. The lamp holder that you are using at the compound is also different. So which are the different holder? Suppose you want to do a electrical wiring system, so definitely you will need the different types of holder, right? So if you want to purchase the electrical holder or the holders that are simply called as connectors, because if you are doing the permanent connection of the tube light or the CFL lamp, nowadays the tube lights are replaced by the CFL lamp. What is CFL lamp? CFL lamp are the compact fluorescent lamp that are basically consuming a lower power, right? So if I want to use, suppose the CFL lamp, then which holder is suitable? See, the holder price is, let's say, that different. Some holder may be costed as a 10 rupees, some holder may cost as a 50 rupees. So which are the your requirement? As per your requirement you have to purchase the holder. With that holder you can connect your lamp. For example, if you are using a holder for your staircase wiring, so which holder you will say you will purchase? So if you want to purchase or want to decide the lamp holders, then you should first understand that which are the different types of holders that are used in the electrical wiring system. So now we will briefly see which are the holders that are called the lamp holders, but there are different kind of holders that are used in the electrical wiring system. So now we will see one by one the different lamp holders. The first lamp holder, before going to the lamp holders types, first I would like to say you the definition of the lamp holder. What is the purpose of the lamp holder? Lamp holder is used not to support the lamp, but it is also used to connect the lamp electrically to the supply system. You can temporarily connect the lamp with the two wires or the plug also, but in order to do the permanent use of the lamp, you have to use the holder, right? So this lamp holder is used to do the permanent connection. It is so designed that lamp can be easily removed, or suppose the lamp is not working and I want to replace, then what, that through the lamp holder we can easily remove. So there are different kind of lamp holders or different types of lamp holders that are used in the electrical wiring system, or that are simply called as a connectors. So holders are available that are made up of the brass exterior and porcelain interior. What is this brass exterior and porcelain interior, or which one is to be used? If suppose I am having two holders and I want to do the electrical wiring system, right? So which one I have to use, or which one is having a higher cost, or which one is used to be safe? The brass holder are costly, but they are durable. It may give you shock if the connection is poor, because this brass holder are, you can say that, made up of the metal kind of material, while the porcelain interior holder are simply made up of the plastic or the porcelain type, you can say that a material that is used for making the holders. Here, even though you are doing the wrong connection, you will not get shock, because the plastic is a conducting material or insulating material. It is a insulating material, because